Let's go.
Elastic band meets silicone wig grip. Guys, this is a product review, quick product review that I have for you right now. This is actually some new elastic bands that we have on the website. It's a do-it-yourself elastic band. You guys know when you have like your wigs, you get an elastic band. Most of the times when you make your wig, you add an elastic band, or maybe you buy your wigs and you just prefer an elastic band with it. Like you can add your elastic band, so you normally would just buy the elastic and stitch it into the wig, just like you would have a wig like this that comes with the elastic band. You can actually stitch your elastic band in. Pretty sure you guys know that already. But so we have some do-it-yourself elastic band, but like I said, silicone wig grip band. So it's not just a regular elastic band, it does come with a silicone wig grip. So it's pretty much just the elastic, the material that you have here. It stretches, of course, but you have the silicone grip on it. So there's 6 different types, and each type comes with 2 colors. Well, comes in 2 colors, black, and then you have the brown. This first one, this is a regular elastic band with the wig grip. So you have this material right here. Let me see if I can make this focus. This one with the dots as a wig grip. And if you guys would like to see like a little tutorial on me stitching it into a wig, maybe I can do that for you. But there's a lot of tutorials out there on like wig grips, and not wig grips but elastic bands. So there's another type of elastic or silicone grip band. This one just has like 3 different silicone strips going around the band. This one has the dots, and then we have the plain one. So if you don't want like the silicone grip, this one says anti-slip and comfortable. So it is an anti-slip band, but it doesn't come with the silicone grip. Okay, so it doesn't slip, but there's no silicone grip. That was stupid. But anyway, guys, this is a regular one. So this is a plain one. All right. So they're all do-it-yourself bands. It's just regular elastic bands, like I said, but you do have the silicone grip on it. Okay. So that's the first 3. The regular bands, you see, it's just material you get to stitch on. And also you have the Velcro ones. Velcro. Yeah, it comes with Velcro on it. So this first one, I had already opened this. It has the Velcro. All right, so this is the brown one, and as you can see here, it has the Velcro. It's an elastic. It stretches really nicely and it feels so strong. But yeah, this is a Velcro. You can use this even if you're gonna make a headband wig. I would be lying if I say I haven't tried to make my headband wig. I've tried to make a headband wig by myself already. So yeah, if you're gonna make a headband wig and you want one of these, you can even put this around the entire thing, and you're able to have that, you know, silicone grip at the back. Not silicone grip, why did I say silicone grip? Velcro at the back, you know. Really nice, and it's sturdy. When I say it's sturdy, it's really sturdy. So if you're looking for that, you can get that. It comes in the black as well. I'm sorry, it comes in the black as well. And then you have more Velcro, but it has the silicone grip around it. So again, you have the 3-stripe one with the 3 stripes silicone, and then you have the dotted one, this one right here. This one has more silicone. I would say this one might hold more. I'm not too sure. I think they will all hold the same, but you know, this one has 3. It depends on what you prefer. And this one has, like, you know, a lot of dotted silicone, but these are the Velcro ones. So it comes with the Velcro around it, and these are very thick and sturdy. It's a little bit thicker than the regular elastic band, a little bit thicker and a lot more sturdier. But anyway, guys, this was just a quick product review that I had to show you. If you are interested in any of them, I will link it in the description box down below for your convenience, so you can go purchase. Like I said, elastic band meets silicone grip meets Velcro, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all the social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you soon. Bye.